Welcome to lecture video. I am Dr. P. Manivannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy 12. In this video, we see the Pollack-Kinching problems for the CSE department for the paper MA 8402, Probability and Queuing Theory of the unit number 5, Advanced Queuing Models. The problem 1. In a car manufacturing plant, a loading crane takes exactly 10 minutes to load a car into a wagon and again come back to the position to load another car. So given the loading time is exactly 10 minutes. It is a constant. Then here the arrival of car is a Poisson stream at an average of 1 for every 20 minutes. It is the arrival. Calculate the following: the average number of cars in the system, the average number of cars in the queue, the average waiting time of a car in the system, the average waiting time of a car in the queue. That means LS, LQ, WS, WQ. These are we want to find out. This is the MT1 queue since the service time is constant. The service time is constant. Here exactly 10 minutes. So the service time is 10 minutes. That means E of t, which implies mu equal to 1 by E of t, which implies 1 by 10 per minute. Mu is 1 by 10 per minute. Given arrival rate is, arrival is every 20 minutes for an arrival. So lambda equal to 1 by 20 per minute. From this we find out, given E of t equal to 10, variance is 0 since the arrival is constant. Service time is constant. So variance is 0, which implies mu gives 1 by 10 and the variance is 0 becomes sigma squared equal to 0. Rho equal to lambda by mu. This is the utilization factor. Lambda is 1 by 20, mu is 1 by 10. So lambda by mu, lambda 1 by 10, mu 1 by 10. So reciprocal 10. 10 by 20 cancel, we get 1 by 2. Now the average number of cars in the system by Pollack-Kinching formula, LS equal to rho plus lambda square sigma square plus rho square divided by 2 into 1 minus rho. Here rho is 1 by 2. Sigma squared is 0. So this become 0. So lambda squared into 0. Rho is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square divided by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. This becomes 1 by 2. This becomes 1 by 2. This value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. These two cancelled. So we get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. We get LS equal to 3 by 4 car. The average number of cars in the system is 3 by 4 car. The average number of cars in the queue is equal to LQ equal to LS minus utilization factor lambda by mu. Lambda by mu is rho. Rho is 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 cars in the queue. The third one, average waiting time of a car in the system is WS equal to LS by lambda. LS is 3 by 4. Lambda is 1 by 20. 1 by lambda becomes 20. So we cancelled 5. 3 into 5, 15 minutes. The waiting time in the system is 15 minutes. Average waiting time in the queue is LQ by lambda. LQ is 1 by 4. 1 by lambda is 20. So we get 5 minutes. The average waiting time in the queue is 5 minutes. It is the first problem. Then second problem, an automatic car wash facility operates with only one way. Cars arrive according to a Poisson distribution with a mean of 4 cars per hour. The arrival is 4 cars per hour and may wait in the facility parking lot if the place is busy. Find LS, LQ, WS, WQ if the service time is the point. First concept, if the service time is constant. The second one, if the service time is follows the uniform distribution. Third one, if the service time is follows normal distribution. Fourth, if the service time follows discrete distribution with the values 4, 8, 15 minutes with the corresponding probability 0.2, 0.6, 0.2. We want find these values for these 4 service time distributions. The first one given, it is an MG1Q model with lambda is 4 per hour. The arrival rate is 4 cars per hour. So lambda equal to 4 per hour. Per hour, 4 cars. The service time is 10 minutes. We take into a single unit. Here it is per hour. So 10 minutes becomes 10 by 60 hours. So it is the service time, which implies mu is 6 per hour. For one car, the service is 1 by 6 hours. Its reciprocal is mu. So 6 hours, 6 cars per hour. This is the service rate. Since the service time is constant, the variance is 0. This is the MD1 model. So rho equal to lambda by mu. Lambda equal to 4, mu equal to 6. We cancel the rho equal to 2 by 3. By Pollack-Keating formula, LS equal to rho plus lambda squared into sigma square plus rho squared divided by 2 into 1 minus rho. Rho is 2 by 3 plus sigma squared is 0. So this value becomes 0. 2 by 3, rho is 2 by 3, the whole square divided by 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3. It becomes 2 by 3 plus it is the 4 by 9 into 2 into 1 by 3. It becomes 2 by 3 plus these two cancelled. 2 by 9 into 3 by 1. It becomes again 3. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. So LS is 4 by 3 cars. LQ is LS minus lambda by mu or LS minus rho with a little formula. 4 by 3 minus rho is 2 by 3. It becomes 2 by 3. LQ is 2 by 3. WS is LS divided by lambda. LS is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 divided by lambda is 4. Again it becomes 4 4 cancelled to 1 by 3 cars. Sorry, 1 by 3 hour. 1 by 3 hour means 20 minutes. The waiting time in the system is 20 minutes. The waiting time in the queue is LQ divided by lambda. LQ is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Lambda is 4. So 1 by 4. These two cancelled. It becomes 1 by 6. 1 by 6 hour. That means 1 by 6 hour means 10 minutes. The waiting time in the queue is 10 minutes. In the system is 20 minutes. Queue is 10 minutes. It is the, if the service time is constant, we get this result. The second one, if the service time follows uniform distribution between 8 and 12, they given the uniform distribution between 8 and 12 minutes service time is. So here A equal to 8, B equal to 12. Expectation is A plus B by 2. Expectation of this distribution is A plus B by 2. A is 8, B is 12. 8 plus 12 divided by 2. 20 by 2, it becomes 10. Mu equal to 1 by 10 per minute. Mu is 1 by 10 per minute. Since mu equal to 1 by expectation of t. 1 by 10 per minute. So it is per minute. This becomes expectation is 10 minutes. So 1 by 10 per minute. So we move into minute calculation. Lambda is given 4 per hour. 4 per hour, which implies 4 per hour. Per hour means by 60 per minute. Per minute. 4 per hour. So we divide into 60. We get 1 by 15 per minute. 1 by 15 per minute. Sigma squared equal to variance of t is b minus a the whole square divided by 12. It is the variance for the uniform distribution. B is 12, a is 8, 12 minus 8 is 4 square divided by 12. It becomes 4 into 4 divided by 12. It becomes 4 by 3. So we get 4 by 3. Rho is lambda by mu. Lambda is 1 by 15. Mu is 1 by 10. Lambda is 1 by 15. Mu is 1 by 10. It becomes 1 by 15 into 10 by 1. It becomes 2 by 3. We get 2 by 3. By the Pollack-Hinton formula, we get LS equal to rho plus lambda square sigma square plus rho square divided by 2 into 1 minus rho. Rho is 2 by 3. Lambda is 1 by 15. The whole square. Sigma squared is 4 by 3 plus rho is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 square divided by 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3. After simplification, we get 1.3422 cos. It is the LS. LQ is LS minus lambda by mu. Lambda by mu is 2 by 3. It becomes 0.6753 cos. WS is waiting time in the system. LS divided by lambda. LS is 1.3422 divided by lambda. Lambda is 1 by 15. So we get 1.3422 into 15. We get 20.13 minutes. Waiting time in the queue is LQ divided by lambda 0.6755 divided by 1 by 15. After simplification, we get 0.6755 into 15 is 10.13 minutes. It is the values under the uniform distribution. Third one, if the service time follows normal distribution with mean 12 minutes. The mean is 12 minutes. Service mean is 12 minutes, which implies, that means expectation of t is 12 minutes. Mu equal to 1 divided by expectation of t, which implies mu equal to 1 by 12 per minute. Sigma is 3. Given sigma is 3. Normal distribution with the standard deviation is 3 minutes given. So sigma is 3. Lambda is 1 by 15 per minute already given. So rho equal to lambda by mu 1 by 15 divided by 1 by 12. After simplification, we get 4 by 5. By the Pollack-Hinton formula, we get LS equal to rho plus lambda squared sigma squared plus rho square divided by 2 into 1 minus rho equal to 4 by 5 plus 1 by 15 square into 3 square plus 4 by 5 the whole square divided by 2 into 1 minus 4 by 5. After simplification, we get this value becomes 2.5 cos. LQ is LS minus lambda by mu. 2.5 minus 4 by 5. It becomes 1.7 cos in the Q. The waiting time in the system is LS divided by lambda. LS is 2.5 cos divided by lambda. Lambda is 1 by 15. It becomes 2.5 into 15. It becomes 37.5 minutes in the system. It is the waiting time. The waiting time in the queue is LQ divided by lambda. LQ is 1.7 cars. So 1.7 divided by 1 by 15. It becomes 1.7 into 15 is equivalent to 25.5 minutes. It is the third subdivision. If the service time follows normal distribution. And the final, if the service time follows discrete distribution with the values 4, 8, 15 minutes with the corresponding the probability. Here the time is 4, 8, 15 and the corresponding probabilities are 0.2, 0.6, 0.2. We know that the expectation is summation t into probability. So 4 into 0.2, 8 into 0.6, 15 into 0.2. After simplification, we get 8.6. It is the expectation, which implies mu is 1 by expectation of t. So 1 divided by 8.6. It is the mu. Here given, already given, lambda equal to 4 per hour, which implies 1 by 15 per minute. Per minute. It is the lambda value. Expectation of t squared equal to summation t squared into probability of t square. So 4 square into 0.2, 8 square into 0.6, 15 squared into 0.2. We get 86.6. It is the expectation of t square. We know that sigma squared equal to variance of t equal to expectation of t square minus e of t the whole square. Here e of t squared is 86.6 minus expectation of t is 8.6 the whole square. After simplification we get 12.64. It is the variance sigma square. By Pollack-Hinchey formula, LS equal to rho plus lambda squared sigma squared plus rho squared divided by 2 into 1 minus rho. Here rho is lambda by mu. Lambda is 1 by 15. Mu is 1 by 8.6, which implies 8.6 divided by 15. It becomes 0.573. This is the rho value. Substituting this value 0.573. Lambda is 1 by 15 square into sigma squared is 12.64 plus rho is 0.573 the whole square divided by 2 into 1 minus rho. It becomes 2 into 1 minus 0.573. After simplification we get LS is 1.0232 cars. This is the waiting time in the system. We know that by the Little's formula, LQ is LS minus lambda by mu equal to 1. LS is 1.0232 minus lambda by mu is rho. It becomes 0.573. It becomes 0.4502 cars. The waiting time in the system is WS equal to LS by lambda 1.0232 divided by 1 by 15. It becomes 15.345 minutes. It is the waiting time in the system. And the waiting time in the queue is LQ divided by lambda. LQ is 0.4502 cars divided by lambda is 1 by 15. It becomes 6.753 minutes. This is the waiting time in the queue. These are the two problems in the Pollack-Hinchey formula type. Okay, thank you.